Hello. The pheniphyllum is one of the normal components of Japanese forest. This is a forest nearby Kutsuki, north of Kyoto. And today, on November 26, the pheniphyllum, normal evergreen plant, doesn't show any traces of the coming fall. So the pheniphyllum here is so well developed that I don't want to miss opportunity to show this very interesting pattern of branching. So the pheniphyllum is isolated group and has many unique characters, biochemistry for example. And morphologically, the pheniphyllum is famous by very interesting location of leaves. So leaves are condensed together on the top of branches, and they kind of give an impression they have verticillate leaf arrangement when leaves are just many leaves across each other. But in truth, leaves are simply spiral, but very condensed spiral. And then, if we go to the main trunk, that interesting pattern is somehow reflected in the branching. Look how it works. So this is the main trunk, and then multiple branches start almost out of the same point. I believe the point is slightly different, but it looks like just the same. So it's kind of, well, umbrella-like branching, which will repeat itself with regular intervals, like a distance here and distance here are quite similar. Very interesting. I would say rhythmic growth, or better to say the rhythmic branches of the pheniphyllum. Lateral branches grow in a different way. So they do not really repeat the pattern of the main trunk, simply because if they do, they will interfere with the main trunk branches. So they simply branch in one way. So one branch is going more or less forward, and multiple secondary or like tertiary branches will go slightly sideways. This growth is strictly, as we say in botany, monopodial, so like a terminal bud will continue to grow. In the pheniphyllum, generative organs, flowers, will appear from lateral buds, so the terminal bud will be just growing and growing and growing. This is called monopodial growth. So this is a very interesting example of, well, I would say very unique rhythmic monopodial growths of the trunk. Is a Daphne wonderful plant from Japanese forest. Today again is November 26. Thank you.